Do you know what foods can help detox and cleanse your kidney? Your kidneys play a critical role in your overall health, acting as the body's filtering system, removing waste and excess fluids. But just like any high-functioning system, they need regular maintenance to perform at their best. That's where diet comes into play. By incorporating specific foods into your meals, you can help boost your kidney health. These foods have properties that aid in detoxification and cleansing, allowing your kidneys to function more efficiently. Think of it as giving your kidneys a spa day, but instead of mud masks and cucumber slices, we're talking about red bell peppers, cabbage, and even garlic. So, are you ready to give your kidneys the care they deserve? Are you ready to learn about the ingredients that can help them perform their best? Well, buckle up, because we're about to embark on a delicious journey. Let's dive into the top 10 foods that can help detox and cleanse your kidney. Starting at number 10, we have red bell peppers. These vibrant vegetables are not just a treat for the eyes, but also a boon for your kidneys. They're notably low in potassium, which is beneficial for kidney health as high potassium levels can be harmful to those with kidney issues. But that's not all. Red bell peppers are also packed with essential vitamins. They're an excellent source of vitamin C, which acts as an antioxidant to protect your kidneys from damage. They're also rich in vitamin A, vital for maintaining the health of your urinary tract. Let's not forget about vitamins B6 and folic acid, both present in red bell peppers. Vitamin B6 plays a crucial role in the creation of red blood cells, while folic acid helps your body produce and maintain new cells. So, don't forget to include red bell peppers in your diet. They're a colorful addition, sure to add a pop of flavor and a punch of essential nutrients. At number 9, we find cabbage. This humble vegetable may not be the star of your dinner plate, but it sure deserves a standing ovation for its kidney-friendly properties. Cabbage is a powerhouse of essential nutrients that are beneficial for your kidneys. It is packed with phytochemicals, natural compounds that work to break down harmful compounds in your body. Cabbage is also rich in fiber, a nutrient that aids in digestion and helps maintain a healthy weight, both critical for kidney health. Moreover, cabbage is a good source of vitamin B6, C, and K, all of which play an essential role in maintaining kidney function. But wait, there's more. Cabbage also contains folic acid, which helps your body produce and maintain new cells. This is particularly important for people with kidney disease who often have trouble with cell production due to toxins in the blood. So, the next time you're at the grocery store, ensure you add cabbage to your grocery list. Garlic ranks at number 8 in our countdown. This humble bulb, commonly used to spice up our meals, is a powerhouse of health benefits, particularly for our kidneys. Garlic is loaded with antioxidants, those vital compounds that combat harmful free radicals in our bodies. These free radicals can cause damage to our cells, including those in our kidneys, and antioxidants help to neutralize them. But the benefits of garlic don't stop there. It also has remarkable anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation can be harmful when it's chronic, as it can lead to various health problems, including kidney disease. By reducing inflammation, garlic helps to protect our kidneys and keep them functioning optimally. And guess what? You don't need to consume a whole bulb for these benefits. Just a clove or two a day can make a significant difference. So the next time you're cooking, don't forget to add a little garlic. It might just be your kidney's best friend. A little garlic can go a long way for your kidneys. Coming in at number 7 are onions. Not just a culinary staple, onions pack a powerful punch when it comes to promoting kidney health. They're loaded with vitamin C, a key antioxidant that helps detoxify your body by combating harmful free radicals. Onions are also rich in manganese, a trace mineral that aids in the proper functioning of your kidneys and other organs. But the benefits don't stop there. Onions are an excellent source of prebiotic fiber. This special kind of fiber fuels the beneficial bacteria in your gut. These bacteria, in turn, produce a substance called short-chain fatty acids that can help improve kidney health by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress. Onions, with their potent blend of nutrients, are not just good for your taste buds, but also for your kidneys. Add them to your salads, sautés, and soups. Raw or cooked, they offer numerous health benefits. Include onions in your diet for a healthy kidney. At number 6, we have the tasty and nutritious berries. Bursting with flavor and packed with antioxidants, berries are a fantastic choice for kidney health. Let's start with strawberries. These delicious red fruits are high in antioxidants and vitamin C, which assist in cleaning your kidneys and reducing inflammation. Next, we have blueberries, small but mighty. These berries are packed with antioxidants and fiber that help to flush out toxins from your kidneys. And we can't forget cranberries. Known for their tart flavor, cranberries have a unique ability to prevent bacteria from sticking to the urinary tract, helping to prevent infections that could damage the kidneys over time. Not to mention, all these berries are low in potassium and phosphorus, making them an excellent choice for those with kidney concerns. So, whether you blend them in a smoothie, sprinkle them on your cereal, or enjoy them on their own, you can't go wrong with adding more berries to your diet. Berries are not just tasty, but also kidney-friendly. Halfway through our list at number 5, we have apples. A familiar favorite, apples are more than just a quick snack. They're packed with an impressive amount of fiber, particularly in their skins. This fiber can contribute to a healthier digestive process, which in turn aids in the proper functioning of your kidneys. But the benefits don't stop there. Apples also carry potent anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation can often be a culprit in kidney damage, so regularly consuming foods that combat inflammation like apples can be a proactive step in maintaining kidney health. Moreover, apples are a low-potassium food, making them an excellent choice for those on a kidney-friendly diet. Too much potassium can be hard on the kidneys, so balancing your diet with low-potassium foods is key. So next time you're reaching for a snack, consider an apple. They're not just tasty, but also packed with health benefits. An apple a day doesn't just keep the doctor away, but also keeps kidneys healthy. Swimming into the number 4 spot is fish. This aquatic delight is not only a tasty meal option, but also a powerhouse of health benefits, especially for your kidneys. One of the primary advantages of fish is its high content of omega-3 fatty acids. These heart-healthy fats are known for their anti-inflammatory properties. But did you know they also play a crucial role in maintaining kidney health? Omega-3 fatty acids help reduce fat levels in your blood and decrease your blood pressure, 2 factors that can put unnecessary strain on your kidneys. By reducing this strain, you're helping your kidneys function more efficiently and preventing potential damage in the future. Moreover, fish is a high-quality protein source. Unlike other protein sources, fish is easier on your kidneys as it produces fewer waste products that your kidneys need to filter out. So whether you prefer salmon, mackerel, or any other fish, incorporating it into your diet is a delicious way to take care of your kidneys. Fish is a delicious way to keep your kidneys clean. Drizzling into the number 3 spot is olive oil. Olive oil is more than just a staple in your kitchen. It's a superstar when it comes to kidney health. This golden liquid is packed with oleic acid, a type of monounsaturated fat that has been linked to decreased inflammation. And as inflammation is a common culprit in kidney disease, olive oil's anti-inflammatory properties are particularly beneficial. But that's not all. Studies have shown that olive oil can help reduce the formation of kidney stones thanks to its high levels of antioxidants. And while we're on the subject of antioxidants, let's not forget about olive oil's high content of vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that protects the kidneys from damage. Olive oil is versatile too. You can use it in salads, for cooking, or even as a dip for bread. So why not give your kidneys a health boost and incorporate more olive oil into your diet? Olive oil isn't just for salads, it's for kidneys too. Flowing into the number 2 spot is water. Yes, you heard it right. Water, the most basic yet essential part of our diet, plays a crucial role in maintaining our kidney health. It's nature's best detoxifier and cleanser. Our kidneys are responsible for filtering waste products, excess nutrients, and liquids out of the bloodstream. They process around 200 quarts of blood each day, sifting out about 2 quarts of waste products and extra water. Water is the vehicle that helps carry these wastes to the bladder, where they are expelled from the body as urine. Staying well hydrated helps your kidneys perform these functions more efficiently. It aids in the production of urine, which helps to expel toxins and waste from your body. Plus, adequate hydration can prevent kidney stones and urinary tract infections, both of which can lead to kidney damage if not treated promptly. So, don't underestimate the power of water. Remember to stay hydrated for healthy kidneys. And finally, squeezing into the number 1 spot is lemon juice. This humble citrus fruit packs a powerful punch when it comes to detoxifying your kidneys. It's all thanks to its high vitamin C content. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that helps protect your body from damaging free radicals. But that's not all. Lemon juice also contains citrate, a compound that can prevent kidney stones from forming and even help dissolve them if they've already formed. What's more, the acidic nature of lemon juice can help increase urine production, allowing your kidneys to flush out toxins more effectively. It's like giving your kidneys a refreshing cleanse every time you sip on a glass of lemon water. And the best part, it's easy to include in your diet. From spritzing it on your salad to sipping it in warm water, there are endless ways to enjoy the benefits of this citrus superstar. So, there you have it. Lemon juice is the ultimate kidney cleanser. So that's our countdown of the top 10 foods for kidney health. Let's do a quick recap. Red bell peppers, abundant in antioxidants, can help cleanse your kidneys. Cabbage is packed with phytochemicals, aiding in breaking down harmful substances. Garlic and onions, with their anti-inflammatory properties, can help reduce kidney inflammation. Berries, especially cranberries and blueberries, are high in antioxidants and can help prevent urinary tract infections. Apples, rich in fiber and anti-inflammatory properties, can help prevent kidney stones. Fish, a great source of omega-3 fatty acids, promotes kidney health. Olive oil, rich in oleic acid and anti-inflammatory compounds, helps in kidney detoxification. Water, the elixir of life, keeps your kidneys hydrated and helps flush out toxins. And finally, lemon juice, high in citric acid, can help prevent kidney stones. Remember, a healthy diet can do wonders for your